What is up guys, TechRex here. So in this video we're going to be doing a drop test of two of the greatest smartphones out there. We have the brand new iPhone 11 Pro, beautiful condition here. And we have the new Samsung Galaxy S20. Now this is also a brand new variant here. I'm going to pop it open just to show you guys. I got the coral blue color. This is unlocked. Beautiful smartphone. Let's take a first-hand look at just how this device looks like. Ooh, oh my goodness, I can't even look at this. I can't. This is just too good to be true, too beautiful. Man, the color just pops. Absolutely amazing. There's like a little bit of a hint of, I don't know, I'm seeing some purple in there too. Crazy. Let's take off that little wrap here. We'll take this little sticker off the top, as well as it's booting up the Samsung Galaxy S20. So both of these smartphones have Gorilla Glass 6 on them, which means that they should both survive about equally. How are they going to land, however? Which one is going to crack more, guys? That's going to be the question we're going to be able to find out. Obviously, this is more of a spontaneous drop test. There's no real factor to prove, exactly and be precise with this drop test. But this is definitely a good idea of seeing exactly which one is a little more durable regardless. So we're going to be dropping both phones 30 stories from the top of a spiral staircase. And we're going to see which one survives, the Galaxy S20 versus the iPhone 11 Pro. Now, to make it a little more realistic, I decided to get two of the exact same hard shell cases, one for the S20, one for the 11 Pro. I'm not sponsored by this company, guys. These are just some random generic cheap cases I found. They're like $20 each. And I want to see with the same cases, so I'm as close as possible to being accurate with these drops, even though it's still a spontaneous kind of drop test. So we're at the spot, guys. We have both the iPhone 11 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S20. Both of the phones are in a hard shell case, a clear case, the same brand. I want to show you beautiful devices, guys. We're actually going to be dropping both of them kind of at the same time, about 5 seconds apart with the case, and then another drop without the case. So we're going to be able to see. Again, I don't know how it's going to land, guys. We're going to have the phones with slow-mo. Let's see what happens. We're going to be dropping each one by one. First one going down is the iPhone 11 Pro. And whenever you're ready, we're going to be dropping it. Crazy, crazy loud. And next up, so take note, guys, a whole bunch of more bounces with the Galaxy S20. So I have a feeling that one is definitely going to be more cracked. Let's get down and see what happened. So here's the iPhone 11 Pro, guys. Let's see what happened. We already have a line here on the left, which is pretty crazy, but looks like there's not even a crack. It's just seems like there's a white line on the left side of the phone, a black spot in the middle. So some bleeding going on there. Let's take a look at the back here real quick. What happened? The back is shattered though, but that's crazy. No shatter to the camera lens itself, and the phone is in overall good condition after a drop in this cheap little $20 case. And finally, the Galaxy S20. So let's go ahead and take a look what happened here. So the back, is the back even cracked? I couldn't see. Yes, it is cracked. The back is shattered. Let's take a closer look here. Oh my goodness, the front is fully working. There's not a single crack on the front, and I honestly thought there'd be a lot more damage, a good decent sized amount of cracks. Still nothing as bad as the iPhone 11 Pro. Finally guys, no case for the iPhone 11 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S20. Both are still survivors. Obviously a little more damage with the iPhone 11 Pro, but this time we're going to be dropping them both at the same time. Once again, the back. So we're going to do this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crazy loud, guys. Let's get to the bottom and see what happened. Check it out, guys. Both the iPhone 11 Pro and the Galaxy S20 dropped practically at the same floor. So here's the results of the iPhone 11 Pro, still somehow glimmering a little hope of light here. Working just a little bit. Obviously, in a matter of minutes, this is probably going to fully break. Phone is a little warm to the touch. Hitting the power button. That's the iPhone 11 Pro. And the Galaxy S20. So let's take a look at the back here real quick. So the back is fully shattered this time around, and the front definitely unable to really do anything with this phone. So it's completely bleeded out. Got some white, some bright green on the display as well. I'm gonna take a look here. It's power off. And now this one is doing the same thing. So final results of the iPhone 11 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S20 drop test. As you guys can see, the 11 Pro took a lot more carnage with the front being fully beat up. It was still working for a couple seconds there, but now it's definitely not working. There's the back, fully shattered. The Galaxy S20, on the other hand, more of a survivor, even though it's still cracked, and it was also glimmering and glitching out. There's a lot less of a shatter on the front. Look at this, as we're seeing a whole bunch of green popping up. Taking a look at the back, still cracked as well, but also not as bad as the iPhone 11 Pro. So that wraps it up for the drop test, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, stay tuned for more videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.